Hey, what's up, Vechain holders? How are you? Hope you're fine now, friends. Once again, I'm present with another latest subject of Vechain. What's going on in this time in the Vechain? What's the current price? What's the price in the Vechain? In this video, I will show you, friends. But before starting such interesting video, I request everyone to please subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos, my friends. So now the current price of the Vechain. The huge gains occurred by Vechain we discuss in this video. Keep watch. And please complete my 10k subscriber. I'm very happy if you complete my 10,000 subscriber, my friends. Please complete now. 0.128751 USD dollar is the current price of the Vechain in the market, and the BTC price is 0.00004 USD dollar. Now the price is very low of Vechain this time due to the paid jumps occurred in the previous time in the Vechain. That is why the pricing is very low. And if we talk about the pricing of the Vechain, so the last 1 hour pricing is positive, last 1 day pricing is negative, and last 1 week pricing is again positive, my friends. Only the last 1 day pricing is negative, my friends. So the last 1 hour pricing is positive, so that's mean that Vechain are in the jumping mood. And now at this time I have to invest in a Vechain, my friends, because now the pumping time of the Vechain starts now. In the start of June, the Vechain start pumping, my friends. Let's see the price start. Wow, that's good idea. You can see here in the start of June, the Vechain gradually start moving upward. And absolutely, those people who's invest in a Vechain in the start of June, so absolutely they are in the profit. But in the previous month, in the May, the price of Vechain is very pretty fast down. That is why the price change of the last 1 month is still negative. Negative 45.33% price change occurred in the Vechain in the last 1 month. My friends, this means that if you decide to sell Vechain at this time in the market, so you are in the loss. Because the previous last 1 month price change is negative, so the price change is negative, so that means that you are in the loss. That is why you have to hold. If you hold, so there is a lot of chances in the future to the price will increase and you will get profit. Anyways, what is your opinion? What is your prediction about Vechain? Tell me in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates